How to enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Let's get started. First, launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Click on the bottom middle option, Authenticator. Protect your Steam account and make signing in faster. Sign in by scanning a QR code instead of typing your name and the password. Click on Add Authenticator. Now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that is linked with your account. Check your mail and then type in the code over here. After you type in the code, click on Verify Code. You might need this code someday, write it down and keep it safe. This code will let you recover your account if you lose access to it, if you lose your device, or if you delete this app without first transferring your authenticator. Then you can click on Done. You have enabled Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Now you can scan any of the QR code and sign into your Steam account without entering the password and the username. So this way you are able to enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.